name is Harshi and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Harshi Baldota and I am a third year law student at GLC Mumbai. Well, a lot of you asked me how to find legal internships, how to do one, how I find my internships, etc, etc. So rather than replying to each and everyone separately, I thought I should make a detailed video on the same. So in this video, I'll be sharing 3 ways in which you can find legal internships for yourself. These are the methods that I have seen myself doing and I have seen others also doing for themselves. So I hope this video is fruitful to you in some way. Okay, so the first way to get an internship is literally the easiest and the most simple one to get one. But not everyone has that option at their disposal. Same was the case with me. I did not have that option. I did not have that opportunity to get an internship through this medium, and that is connections. Well, talk to your mom, talk to your dad, talk to your uncle, aunt, chacha, mama, fufa, dada, whoever, and ask them if they have any good legal connections, and ask them to talk to whoever and set you an internship with them. Well, there is no shame in getting an internship through your connections, but do not go overboard or do not pester the person in getting an internship. Also, if you are getting an internship through this medium, try to prove your worth at that place, because it shouldn't be like, oh, this person got an internship at this place just because of his connection and he's not worth it of that. So the first one is connections. There is no shame in getting an internship through connections. Just try to prove your worth at that place. Well, the second way to get an internship is through LinkedIn. Create a proper LinkedIn profile and start sending out requests to people in the legal fraternity. Soon you'll start seeing posts like there's a vacancy at this place, this is the criteria, this is the area of internship, area of work, qualification, requirement, etc, etc. This is one of the ways that people opt for to get an internship, but this is not particularly my favorite, because you don't really know the place, you don't really know the person, you don't know the kind of work that's going on there, and stuff like that. So it's a great way, it's like a decent way to get an internship in the first place, when you are quite new to it, but I'm not sure if this is what you should keep on doing when you reach your 3rd year or 4th year or 5th year. This is something you can do in your 1st year, 2nd year, when you are not really aware about the whole process of how to apply for internship, how to make CVs and stuff like that. So yeah, this is one of the ways that you can get an internship. The third one is my most trusted one, and something that I have been doing since a long time now. It is to directly send an email to the firm's email ID or the company's email ID. What you can do is go to the website of the firm or company that you are willing to get an internship in, and then there will be a section or a page where it will be like careers with us, careers, work with us, etc, and in that you will mostly get an HR email ID or the recruiter's email ID, stuff like that. So you can directly send an email to the firm's ID or to the company's ID stating your interest to work with them. Well, in the body of the email, make it like a cover letter where you are stating your general details like name, year of study, college, areas of interest, and your interest in working with them, why you think that they should take you as an intern. Then attach a proper CV or a proper resume with that email. Well, this is something that I have been doing since a long time now, and it is one of the ways that a lot of people opt for. Well, but in this one you won't be successful in just sending 1 or 2 emails and expect to get an internship. Well, you have to send at least 50 to 60 emails, and then you'll be getting replies from 5 or 10 of them. So this is one of the ways that you can get your internship from. Well, the fourth way to get an internship is by talking to your seniors. Well, this is not a very formal and a proper way. This is a little informal way to get an internship. What you can do is ask your seniors if there's a vacancy at the place that they are working in, if you are interested in working in that place, and ask those seniors to put in a word for you to the recruiter, or pass your CV to the recruiter and stuff like that. So you can do this if you have some good relations with your senior. I haven't really tried this, but a lot of people do this. Some places take interns only on the basis of referrals. You cannot directly apply, but you need to have referrals from the employees who are already working there. So this is one of the ways you can get an internship. The fifth way to get an internship is by googling the internships. This is not something that I would recommend, and this is not something that I have myself done, but still a lot of people do, so I thought I'll be mentioning this. So what you can do is directly google the internships, like criminal internships near me or criminal lawyers in Fort, stuff like that, and you will get the name, you will get the email ID in that, in the results, and you can apply to those email IDs. Well, this is not something I would recommend, because as I've said, you don't know the place, you don't know the recruiters, you don't know the internship experience at that place. So you can try this in the initial years of law school, but not later. So I guess that's it for this video. A lot of you have been asking me to make an internship video, so here it is. If you found it helpful, if you liked it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon right there, so right there or right wherever, so that you do not miss out on videos that I post, which are regarding college, internships and stuff like that. So I guess that's it for this one. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.